max volt power, right?
Yes.
Come here, come closer here a bit to Papa. I joined, but how to go to your farm?
Wait. Papa, haven't you? Maybe that is. Here.
Okay.
This is how the flag stuff.
Okay.
Press tip. So that guy over there.
And then
And say, carrot seed.
10 cents. Then how to plant?
How the flag is like this. Oh. Oh, here.
Okay.
Your first carrot.
Okay. How many carrots?
2 carrots.
Why you keep on removing it?
That's the tutorial.
Well, can you just plant it?
Somewhere there.
Where?
That's right here.
It's already, there's already a leaf, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I talk to Steven. Is that anything personal? I want to talk about inventory.
And then,
That's the tutorial. That's
okay.
all. To buy sheets, you go to the sheet shop.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will add, buy more.
Do you like carrots or shrimp?
No stuff. So where's my carrot? Okay, here. I wanna have it grow.
It's stormy.
Why can't I plant it here?
I only plant it. Where's that? I only plant it here. See? I told you. You never listen to me.
Why not here?
That's what the candle does.
So I can collect now. So after I collect, I can sell it. And I have 117. So how can I? Where's your garden? How can I go like quick that I have? So God is giving us a tutorial on how to plant and see, I can plant here. I can plant on the left side. Oh, don't ruin it. What did you do? seed shop stock has been reset. Why you got so many cool? Can you give it to Papa? Okay. So, can I collect now my strawberry?
Yeah.
But I don't have like a collect button.
Wait, it's from the, I think, when it's like this, when it's like the maximum size.
Okay.
Finally.
Okay, it's ready to collect, right?
Yeah. It's ready to connect.
Why can't I pick it up? Don't block my one eh.
Oh.
See, I cannot collect it.
Hey, let me show. Why you show the light of bait in hair? Why you show the light of bait in hair?
I cannot collect it, Vlad.
See?
See?
Connect. Just mind your own business. My dinosaur is still rolling. Look, I have dinosaur.
So the strawberry plant keeps on giving fruits, right?
Yeah.
Then I'll just collect the fruit.
Yeah, see? That's lucky.
So I'm not collecting the plant anymore. I'm collecting the fruit, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will sell the.
The poopy patch. I mean the strawberries.
Yeah, but how can I plant your? What's that you gave Papa this one? I want to plant this. Okay.
It's already planted, and you can only get roots.
This is not a seed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will sell this.
Yeah, show that being led to Steven.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, I will sell it to Steven.
This girl is blocking that way.
Okay.
Anything to sell?
I want to sell my inventory. Wow, so I got 2,237. 235,000.
Papa, there's still not enough money. You still don't have enough money to buy.
What happened here? Look.
Huh? That's the candy blossom.
Candy blossom. So I wanna buy more. I wanna buy blueberry. There's so many money now, right?
Yeah.
And then I wanna buy
Look at this. I have a.
orange tulip.
Papa, I have a
Buy
poop.
this one, tomato seed.
Papa, I have a poop behind you.
What? How did you get that poop? Is it also did it come from a seed also?
Someone gave me it. Someone gave me it. Okay.
Okay.
Why does it feel so soothing? Why does it sound so smoothing? Okay, right?
What did I plant? Look, what happened here?
I don't know. Oh yeah, it's blueberry seeds.
Oh, blueberry seed.
Yeah. What? You like to? Do you want to shout that fruit? You want to shout that fruit?
Why I cannot one up? I cannot select the orange tulip seed. Look,
Look, Papa. Papa, look. You want to? You want to? Don't you want me to bring that to you and? Don't you want me to change that? To bring that fruit and make you sell it?
okay, that's good.
Okay, I'll shut. You're in charge of food.
Okay,
You want to taste the food?
okay. Oh, give it to Papa.
Enjoy catching that food forever. Until 2026.
So it will be mine for until 2026. Look, I cannot select the orange tulip seed. That why?
Because of that, because your iPad's a new version. Are
Okay.
you like, can you stop
I will sell this. Only this.
Where are you not going to show that?
I'm gonna sell the strawberry.
Just show that. That food.
This one is-
Yeah, just show the food.
Wow, so it's 555,000? 55 million? Yeah.
Why? How is he not quite as Why?
I don't know.
Wait, let me. You want to hit how much this worth?
Wait.
Wait,
Nothing to buy.
wait, let me check how much this is worth. Wait, I meant. See?
15 cents.
Yeah, so that's why this is high.
He doesn't want the 50 cents? 15 cents?
Yeah,
Why?
I don't know. But Papa, this is the night shift, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why is it already night and we're still awake?
How can I have more? I want to plant more plants.
Papa, see that sign? That says a fruit in your garden, you say it to move it.
You need more Robux. Why? Why I need more Robux?
That, if you want some of my fruits, then you have to like, if you want more of my, some of my fruits, then you have to pay Robux.
Okay.
Deal?
Okay, deal.
Papa,
What?
there's a dinosaur. There are dinosaurs. There are
Yeah.
dinosaurs,
How
right?
come there are dinosaurs?
I saved them from the kitchen impactor,
Mm-hmm.
right? How did I save them from the kitchen impactor? How did I save them from the kitchen impactor? How?
I don't know.
I think it's because of poopy pants. I mean, lying near poopy.
Where's your this is your garden. Wow, it's so cool, right?
Yeah, why do
How did you get your dinosaur?
I don't know?
Wow, your garden is so shiny. Why is it there's like a lot there's a what do you call that, full of lights.
Because it has a shocking effect.
Wow, so cool.
And why is it and it's not touched? Is that what the mark not touched?
Mm-hmm.
Why is there a big dinosaur coming for me? Oh, it's
know. How can I have those kind of Vlad, those kind of plants? Because
Test recipe. They need medium eggs.
Nanginay gamang. Nanginay gamang man. Kuya Vlad, mga ano tapagka.
kita kasi yang kuan ng ihang garden. Tanaw ang garden ni Vlad. So look at Vlad's garden. Oh, so cool. Napay swing.
This is a swing for a child. There's a swing. That's not for you. Here only for 6-year-old and 5-year-old.
Dahil na, eat na.
Tanaw
Kaya
yan.
na yung kaon na.
Tanaw yang garden ng ang garden ni Vlad.
Look, wow, pretty naman ano eh. Kalindot na isuri-suri, gabi iwi, hayag kayo. Ihimo sa garden.
Why the other gardens have giant trees, Vlad? Giant plants.
Awag na bumalik mo na.
How are they able to build the houses then? My garden is so boring. Oh, Papa is a pretender. Beginner.
Dad, hard.
Dato na kay ko lang, ano ko'y 59 million. Can Papa leave now? Papa is so sleepy na, Vlad. Oh, yeah. So I'm so proud of you, this one. Good job. Your hard work pays off. Right? You're a hard-working kuya, right? Nice, nice. Okay, I will leave na, Vlad, ha?